In this video, we're going to use the GRID ball to address the lat. Now, the muscles and just the shoulder area in general can oftentimes be very tender, so the density of the GRID ball is perfect to address both the lats and to get up into the posterior deltoid of the shoulder and even the front to the pecs. To use it for the lat, the first thing we're going to do is identify the part of the lat we're going to apply compression. So if you reach over and find the edge of your shoulder blade, that's right where we're going to place the ball, and that's the top part of that lat. Now to do this, I'm going to get into a side lying position here. I'm going to position the GRID ball right here on the floor and then lay the lat right on top of it. So I'm basically right there on that shoulder blade. Now the first thing to do is to search the area and try to find an area of increased tenderness. So to do this, I can just roll myself down slowly. And as the GRID ball goes up, I can find more tender spots. I can also shift myself forward and back, and again, just trying to identify an area of increased tenderness. Once I find that, I'm just going to stop and hold pressure into it for 20 to 30 seconds or until that tenderness starts to reduce. Once we get that, our first step is going to be to roll through the area, which stimulates some blood flow and some fluid flow up and down through those muscles. To do this, I like to use my top hand for a little bit of support. I'm going to take some pressure off of my hips here, and then it's just a slight rolling motion up and down. Not a big motion, never moving fast. After the fourth time, we're now going to move into a little pin and stretch. So I'm going to take this arm and put it out in front of me with my palm up towards the sky. I'm then going to sweep all the way up overhead and then return to that starting position. And I'm going to go through this 4 times. Once you're done with that, if you would like, you can go through all of that again. That's going to be the best way, again, to increase flexibility into that area and help to reduce any sort of tenderness or any aches and pains you may have up around the shoulder and the lat. So that's how we would use the GRID ball to address the lat. If you have any questions, you can post them on social media, and you can find out more at tptherapy.com.